Hey there, geeks and geekettes. I've been to B&M. I've got 2 pops for £10, and one of them is a chase. Yeah. So B&M, if you're not in the UK, is a bargain store. They sell branded products for a lower price. They happen to sell action figures, toys and Funko Pops. So I went there looking for action figures, couldn't find anything I wanted, and then I found 2 DC Bombshell Funko Pops. Now I have a Catwoman pop, but sat in the front on a shelf was the Chase edition of Catwoman. So I've got Catwoman 225, the normal variant. This is the Chase. The only difference that I can see is that she's wearing purple as opposed to black, and also a Poison Ivy, and I don't have a Poison Ivy pop, so we'll do Poison Ivy first. So Pop Heroes DC Bombshells 224, Poison Ivy, side shot product, other figures in the range on the back. I've seen Hawk Girl, but I haven't seen Batwoman or Supergirl. Nice little Poison Ivy logo there, I like that. There's the side window, there's the top of the box, and there is the boring shit on the bottom. So there's no backing card as such, but the Legion of Collectors advertising card. And I have that pop, courtesy of the Geeky Heathen. So this pop does come with a stand because those feet are tiny. I wonder if she would stand on her own. Oh, she does. So she does stand on her own. So there is Poison Ivy, sort of leaf makeup around her green skin, flower in her hair, nice sort of ginger or red hair paint sculpt there, although they have actually painted some of her ear. Flying. They have actually slipped the paint and they've got some on her ear. They've missed a bit underneath in the back there. She's got a butterfly in her hand and sort of 40s or 50s sort of lingerie on. That's a cool little pop, and being DC as opposed to Marvel, it is not a bobblehead. So next up is DC Bombshells Catwoman limited edition Chase sticker variant. So there's the front of the box, it's Pop Heroes Catwoman 225, side art, same range on the back, but obviously it has her normal form there, side window, and boring shit on the bottom. I can obviously see there's a Legion of Collectors card hanging up the bottom there, and there is the Chase edition of Catwoman. The only difference I can see is that the black has been replaced with purple, because I've never actually taken the other Catwoman out of the box. Yep, the only difference is the purple colouring, but that is my first Chase pop. Been wanting a Chase for ages without paying over the top, and this cost me £5. So she's got a cat ears, but it's in a sort of a hair wrap as opposed to a costume. Purple tinted glasses, and I really do like pops with glasses. And she's got a whip in her hand there, stockings, and a little sort of party dress, pearl necklace on.
No, 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 no.
Quite a basic pop really, but I just like these different sort of variations of the DC characters in the Bombshell format. So they were my 2 pops for £10, or £9.98 from Home Bargains. and obviously B&M bargains, and one of them being a Chase, has made my day. So these will go with all my other DC and Marvel pops. They've got all my comic book stuff one side and then all my movie stuff the other. But my DC is sort of bled out into two halves. But we are going to be remodeling a little bit. I'm going to put some shelves up because Mrs. Geek now has her own corner over there with the Ghostbusters pops. Behind me, all the Ghostbusters figures, Ghostbusters signed photo frame, banquet room scene and her Ghostbusters metal figures, and the Metal Lecter 1 and the Slimer, but she's not a collector. So I'm going to put some shelves up in this corner and I'll move all my DC stuff over because I've got more DC pops than anything else. So guys, please like, comment, share and subscribe on the video. I've been the Bearded Geek and I will catch you soon for another review or an unboxing. Goodbye. That is the loudest fly I've ever heard in my fucking life. The fly's shit. Really don't want it to shit on my toys. No idea how a fly's got in yet. Said the only difference I can see, oh, that fly is pissing me off. She's got her own corner there, so I'm gonna probably take her pops out of that corner. I can't. Shit.